Hello, I'm Chris Wills, Director of Training at RDI Technologies, and I'd like to welcome you to another installment of Tips and Tricks. Have you ever had a problem trying to find a specific recording or video in your Motion Explorer hierarchy or even on your computer hard drive? You're not the only one. That's why we put a new search feature in Motion Explorer. Watch this example. I have a relatively large hierarchy here, and I'm trying to find a recording of a 7-blade fan. I highlight the hierarchy name, type 7-blade fan into the search field, and click Enter. There it is right there. If I want to know which folder it is in, I go to the toolbar and click Open in Hierarchy. If I want to know where that recording resides on my hard drive, I click Open File Location. Problem solved. What if I don't know exactly what I'm looking for? Let's try a more generic search, such as pump. Every asset, recording, and video with the word pump in its name is listed at the center of the screen. This is Chris Wills reminding you to visit us online at www.rditechnologies.com for the latest motion amplification tips and tricks.